after repeatedly saying he's never cooperating with the International Criminal Court. Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa is now singing a slightly different tune. Now he says he's open to talking to the ICC in connection with its drug war investigation, but under certain conditions. Here's the report.
Kung sabihin nila na mag-interview lang, then why not? Why not? Kung may itatanong sila sa akin, ako ay isang matinong tao, hindi ako bastos, sasagutin ko.
That's Senator Bato de la Rosa's reply when asked if he was willing to be interviewed by the ICC over what he knows of the drug war of former President Rodrigo Duterte. De la Rosa was Duterte's first PNP chief. But he was quick to clarify that this does not mean he is submitting to the court's jurisdiction, and there should be prior communication which the senator says he has yet to receive. He holds the same sentiment towards the Interpol, which according to former Senator Antonio Trillanes has already put De La Rosa on blue notice. Just this week, Justice Secretary Boyeng Remulla said his office will not block any move from Interpol to serve any arrest warrants from the ICC. But
kung lulabas ang arrest warrant at ito'y isi-serve sa akin ng taga-Interpol, I will not submit to their jurisdiction. I will not submit to their jurisdiction. Dahil alam ko, wala silang jurisdiction sa atin. At kung sila itutulungan ng ating kapulisan, well, hindi ako magkipag-gira sa ating mga kapulisan. I will submit to the authority of our government, pero kung ang yan ay kautosan ng ating korte.
Senator De La Rosa is hopeful that an ICC interview or an Interpol arrest will never come. But he says he will feel betrayed if indeed President Marcos doesn't keep his promise to not let ICC investigators into the country.
Kung totoo yan na nagbago na ang stand ng ating Pangulo, I feel betrayed.
In case Malacanang fails him, De La Rosa is looking at support from a very familiar place.
I am hoping that the Senate as an independent institution, ako equal branch of government, ay manindigan din para sa kanyang miyembro.
Meantime, ICC Assistant to Counsel Cristina Conti believes it's just a matter of time before an arrest warrant against the ICC's primary suspect Rodrigo Duterte comes out.
Confidential ang proceedings, pero kung para sa amin, maglalabas na yan ng warrant of arrest sa loob ng taon na ito.
Reporting for News 5, Mean Los Baños, we are One News.